Ya kini kejik pun kuburam ya kini kilangut kisamla kata ya Eugene Sanlingdo ai borlang khongji baru rokas lamari kalong hadian begini kilangut ha kini khniat snem kibladep kilabateng benra ya kana bat buram ya kejela da kejing syajit kejongki wat hadu bakinda mikmat ya kejela ya kini kejing elang la penlong menta kesengi ya silong preslop ha keblayo ya kejing kren na sekretari ke MFPA uba wanchan kharkrang bat benrap da kejing penkup da karendia ya ai bor bat Eugene da u joint secretary ka silong press club Martin Nongklau bat kumjuru na president ka MFPA uba Cliff R Nongrum.
And I believe he's the first local player to play in the inaugural session of the Indian Super League. And most of us have witnessed also on TV that his performance were par excellence as the other Indian players. And we, in fact, congratulate you. We never got a chance to congratulate you, Igor, for your performance in the last ISL. And we take this opportunity to congratulate you and also to wish you all the best for the coming season. I believe he has been retained by the Northeast Football Club, Northeast United Football Club, and you have seen that there are a lot of foreign players that have been signed, and the experience that he's going to gain playing alongside with them, it's not only going to help him, but we look forward that the same kind of experience that he has had, when he comes back to the state, he'll be able to share with the young boys, because that is the kind of encouragement that our young kids require.
Nupsan lagi kemarin baging penupsan kemudian lagi ikut kubur entah football mereka lan kamai gaji mereka sport mereka lan kamai gaji lagi uji juga harus siklon ke nakai warna biru warna biru nakai proses
kan ta kuasa untuk te kana ang si mengi habangi dan sepan itu hal laka regional jong habangi ngilong tanong no kungi ambassador jong state dan ini chino election laka chino long ipi pada zaman negara riu ba ngide na lega jaka bang ini dan kesak pong hirup ngilong sarong ini mikmat mulai long kumkan ni kacing le semua bisa ni kami sini ban ni sukumen bak dia terdekat ni tengah sekolah aku dai ya brok pada bak kunjo ya bisa brasu kacing kesan jumpi ni tengah angis kan bagani kacing ni jumpi ya pada bak bro kanang ya yang sini kena bro